Hey guys, Annalise here. Nice to speak to you again. So I'm excited to show you this app because I think it's really cool and it's going to give you instant social proof for any of your pictures or media that you post on your Instagram profile. You can see it here in the corner. It's called Magic Likes Meter and I've just gotten this from the App Store. So we're going to click on it and it's going to prompt you to put in your Instagram username and your password. I've created a little account just to test this app out and show you exactly how it works. It's got the creative name of test account 1234567 So just typing in these details. The next step is to authorize, and then we'll be taken into this welcome screen of the app. Now let me talk you through a few of the tools we have here. Up in the top right, you see that we have 20 stars. This app works through stars, so you can buy stars or you can earn them. Down the bottom in the middle, there's a tab called Get Likes, and that is where I'll be taking you today to show you this little strategy to try and get a bit of social proof on your profile. So click on that tab, and what it does is upload a list of the pictures that you have on your profile and the amount of likes that you have on it. This is a new account, so I only have one picture of this alpaca or llama on my profile, and you can see it there in a grid. You can see a little 14. That means it has 14 likes. I click on it and you can use your stars in this window to get likes on your profile. Now, the likes that come in on your profile are real people liking your photo, and they do so in return for likes on their profile pictures. So here with my 20 stars, I'm going to show you how to get 10 likes. You click yes, and it's as easy as that. Success, you'll start receiving likes soon. You need to make sure your profile is on public, and you'll see the notifications coming in pretty quickly. So you can see we're on 0 stars in the corner, so I just want to quickly talk you through how to get them. So you go to the tab down the bottom, and you click Get Stars. This is the window we opened the app on. And basically all you do is you like these pictures, it'll give you 1 star. Like another one, it'll give you another star. This is how the like trade works. Now let me tell you how to best use this app for your Instagram's business account. This is a great way to give your account social proof. This means when people come to your profile, they'll see that you're getting a few likes. Or if there's a picture in their feed and they see it already has 30 likes on it, it'll kind of kick-start the snowball and get the likes coming in. It creates momentum. These likes don't increase your sales, but what they do provide is great social proof. So you see here on the Instagram profile, you see the likes there just as we've done. I would say for everything you post, boost it with about 30 likes at the start and see the difference in the kind of interaction that you get. It almost creates a safe space for people to interact with your profile and the media that you post on Instagram.